Ebusia waiting. They are all my close friends, so I can speak without mask. Oh, Madame Fopa, women now for me, no money, ni mancha mask crying. Ebusia waiting. They are my relations. Omi am Ebusia for we me bra. We me ma me man me ni omo wo fie. Me ni penny. Enti me ne kasa na mancha mask cry enye hwe. Obi a me ni fie funu ba ko mu de. Enye hwe. Ebusia waiting. Enti yanshanin so se COVID-19 no emfa busuasem ho emfa working colleague ho Ejidi se yes ani emenya ebebo ayen pa Well, Yemfa Sidanima Kerex in collaboration with the Ghana Medical Association Kerex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Dulan yogurt more. I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. McDan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a delightful experience. Holland Life Assurance, we've got you covered. And yade apomde on koma to train yade brewo. FM we mama na me ba ya fa na poso no entwa so chene so na poso Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy speed made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? And Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayare Sefi. Omadaroma. Yet na poso Ebreo.
Apna, I didn't know wusu. I didn't see na bisu. I brought beer in it so you know me and me fear. But you improve what job and then make one a mania HIV and as in Samawa. Everybody my brain, me crank me. Oh, Abna Debbie. And Cassasa. Nemo. Before for Abba, I'm a 1 hour HIV. In Samawa, any in Nemu Yadia. Wakas, Negana AIDS Commission. Ada Jima dear for fro a daddy papa who dear Huadi. Send me a bay, I bet me in your fan who dear Pepe, send me a Ghana AIDS Commission Act at 938 mu. Say yenye inyimu ewo ayarehwemu ewo yene nyumemu ene yene nsuampom for webcast ewo ahomacho for you so 0302241452 and 0556233663 webcast ye homo found webcast ne at 938 ni yen abet na afebo inkratwo yi free webcast ne emwa a free global fund.
Be happy.
Amanfo agbave tonic ni agbave bam na mate ho dance die no ayi adwuma pa o
ye de kane nyina wa wo frunum agbave tonic esesa be na abo apomdiri mu
asiesie mama menya hoden foforo kra sesei agbave tonic adaroma esuyo me honam nya me ya bie
o tro faro se me dance na aja brochire amanfo muti yo agbave tonic kutie koko
agbave bam nso sasabro ukotodwe usisi wo de agbave bam twitwi so a shim ahotonko a
ahotampa agbave tonic ene agbave bam
eya papa shewampa enam eye adwuma papa
Agbebe Herbal Center ya wo so wutum en woye e ma wafa furu abato mo manufo ne mo afra wo ni mfie dumienu de wonka ho e wo Herbal Chemical and Pharmacy shops etifo mfra 0246 598 256 and 020 813 0790
Agbeve tonic ne agbeve balm
oh yare ebeko kra
FD ahwehwe saa ejedi enkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye
And then we are Jaria Crown Crow Apeti we are singing second hand mattress top aye hupa. When you bruni we ataria, wutumi si eyi mu fie ku mumu awano. Second hand mattress bi wo ho afie Bruchire Hospital, mortuary and na prison bimpo. Na obe den we hunu de wo mattress yi mu. Ah wo koto abeda so. Wo jeja wo ma yare o. Wa ye wo papa. So wo pe na e kire ni ha obia dia. Eno ara ni latest foam mattress. Wo koto mattress ba se bi ma na be chiache wo chiri dompe. Abese wo apomodere ne wo na papa bi. Wabra latest foam mattress ebo wachiri dompe wo ban juju woni pedua no anadwumu ni nyina onua hwe wapamudin wo yie anya saa wajje wo ho you dey do yourself to adepa to latest foam mattress a winning say or how bia ni achiri latest foam your partner for life.
Hey driver, yeni abrepa option se enyi so afa esika ma esesia.
ati sa peka foforo mai
Mesra mo munya botre ma menka wom ebi ebeje so.
Ah, ye nya botre sei.
obua kra yeni unho time
Hey, Atungu. What's up? Oja, me battery ni nye. Na oil no so. Why no so aye den? Irata Motors Aquafa Speed Mate batteries. Pa. All sizes for all vehicles. And the Speed Mate oil. Yeah, e ma wo car engine eye na dwuma ye ma ne chema wo. Wonti, and wa bedu apasin afo kwam. Amom dwoodwo wa. Wonim gu asese. Speed Mate oil no. E fully synthetic.
Ewunia, for Speed Mate battery mami. Na me from komra sesia. Me we are straight to Irata Motors. No copper Speed Mate battery. And oil ni nyina bi.
And yeah, Irata Motors. And in the accredited agents ni nyina. Ubenye bi. From 0264 445 268 and 0263 136 700. Speedmate batteries and in the oil. Irata Motors. No more disappointments.
Imagine say water wake up at dawn. You know buff, you know chop. Where it vanish for your area for 2 weeks. You not get one drop safe inside your tank.
hey
Haja, our life was in dangerous. Only our neighbor get water with water tank.
what time
Yes, water tank. Mamma mia, that water tank gets meter for checking water level. That water tank be fine past Kumasi Selendion. That water tank be tough like Ghana Army. That water tank, they carry water pepe, so say some no go left inside the supply tank. What a tank! As my boss, Mr. Poncho go talk.
Beautiful, durable, with water level indicator and accurate volume of water. Water tank. What a tank. By Duraplast.
Edene ni jise wato bibi na yapo 200% amount. Ane, saneti o Vodafone Cash so. So with the Vodafone Cash to creditor, amunu muhwa, wubenya 200% bonus. So wo pese wo di sika fa Vodafone Cash so ma obusia ene onam for edit show do a and dwene sika ye bete wo every say eye free. Fesika do bia fa Vodafone Cash so e ma wadofo empre bia wo pe ye ntisike bia wo Vodafone Cash so de wonya chedie bebre enunti kosona bosta 110 hash never di Vodafone Cash hu dwume bia wo pe.
Ready? Success in every endeavor requires critical partnership. When it comes to consumer home electronics, quality from Syndicated Capital is your trusted partner. Not just any TV, but the quality satellite and digital LED TV provides inbuilt satellite and digital decoders, over-voltage protection, free wall mount, and now a state-of-the-art surround sound bar to deliver an unparalleled entertainment experience. Not just any decoder, quality digital and satellite combo decoders come with auto scan, voltage protector, NCA approval, multi-TV certification, unlimited internet content, and 24/7 movies online. Quality products are available on hire purchase to private and government workers, police and army personnel for as low as 27 Ghana cedis per month. Call us on 0302-242-532 or 0204-413-484 or visit Syndicated Capital at number 28 Farah Avenue, Adabraka, Accra. Quality. We deliver on our promise.
What a mighty God. Give me the nature. Adumano 6.3 FM. Akasimano Eduna ina no so abo. Personal and 12 so come on pa. Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes water flows. Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy speed made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Latex foam, your partner for life. Societe General SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center. Why are Safi and Mekuya Daruma? And Yadina Posuna Poso, Yade Ebrewo. And Ebetoja say a praise for one more sentiment Masuka. Woman say Cabrantebi. Nabayi Baye and Amamba Kwa Wotu, Efagalam Sehu. Nansa Yabaka Betoja. Say excavators bear 500 ayira. Ehun sabunu kwaye ho afa ye hunu bi ya de bia abankran ha enso still no ano there are several miners one machine from hwehwa wo mu hu excavators no ayira enra nana ya obuadu oye special monitoring and evacuation officer. One interministerial committee on illegal mining, IMSIM, for na ye adwuma, and where approach the funds are cano. Na boni ben wo ye. One more excavator see, one more the ayira. One to show one more. Complain come out praise for say machines no ayira no ahwehwe ayenhunu no na ya obuadu asayebo so machine obetumi aboye ma ahwehwe na mom na this year between 50,000 to 70,000 Ghana cedis aya can 500 million to 700 million na yes caveters ni ensabeka you crowd 70,000 and the additional 30,000 account money 100,000 because that's how suit I say one more chain and I have one chain machine where he's scanning a chair I feel for machines my one more chain and chain so money and the pebble I want by my one mudi Afome hunu ambetina machine no ebi wa ha ye de ye adwuma ambetina machine no abetwam ha na ye de kwa tifu mantem ye de kwa adwuma ho well approach the phone second and pay ye be yutwum komo obi dum bie kwaku adu kumi atenase kwaku na akwawen
acha wana mkwanso
no adwuma no nte ase ana
oze
adwuma no nte ase ana
oze
me say akua champion adwuma no nte oba beto me ha
me asem we me ntimi nka on eti anka otwenya no oba na nko obisa ne leja ye hu ba bia ekọ ne ade na se de ene so de wa fa ho Abrante ye preveni.
Oh yeah sure.
Ewura. Ne watch ye bono. Uza atade na show no. Eye kala ne ya for me this. Eye blue. Wo ho. Na blue no utimi hu a bit of
me kala ye blue on.
Enye dark blue. But as a
me no hu ni start green no ana enye green.
Enye green.
Oh okay.
Enye green. The Shamini Army Green. We Army Green. Ena African print na that wa betting in the button no. And also no design as a me black kakra me cream kakra. And me as a bit of As me who cafe color kakra design it tight na button no so no say the see the button na abo no and so any watch no it na say na the offer ho we wa dwen so share afa ho and atwa so colors ni bi so atwa de ni mo atwa so ahwe mutumi adwuma ma na ye fe mutumi fam ho ma na ye de mo fam ho sa obi ehu anu sampa say kwesi we hwe mo fam ho sa nipa ya di o sa yi what I say
Ehia meba na maba mo akwaba meba na mabe mo akwaba na muaye bia wo ho no so we de amame na se nkoma twetwe no ase na makwa homa so Francis Asibi Abu head of monitoring team inter-ministerial committee against illegal mining mene no entwetwe enkomo Francis Oteminka
meto nkapa
ahode wo ho ya de nyame ase ma yensa say so far madwuma amoye no wo ensem no etesen
medical chief for you now. Everything is on track, and we are still achieving results. That is what I can say.
Everything is on track, and you are achieving results.
Yeah.
Okay. Excavators are a year, as we speak. Monsa can be near Monsaka no ewe so far. Do sign a Monsaka.
On the issue of missing excavators, I wouldn't want to go there too much because I am at the arresting site and then inventory taking and then finally handing them over. And so where they are misappropriated or not misappropriated, it doesn't become my issue. It is not actually my concern so much. But what is concerned with me is to assist in picking them and make sure that they get to their destination. So on the account that how many have been found or not been found, is something I'll not be able to speak to.
Okay, but Abu say inventory taking then you should be able to tell me excavators do that
is what I'm saying. Sir, when I pick excavators, I take an inventory of them and hand them over to the committee.
Okay.
So whoever takes over those excavators, where he takes them to, who receives them finally, is no longer my issue. But if you come to me, I can give you inventory of what I have taken with their details of where they have been picked and even sometimes who they belong to. That is where my job ends.
Okay.
And so whether they have been properly handled or not handled is another issue at another level.
Okay. As the head of monitoring team, now what you do saying? How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for almost 1 year, 6 months now.
And per inventory we're taking, machines to do what's saying. You should be able to tell me this one, Francis.
Yes, yes. You see, the operation was in phases and handled by different groups. On my inventory, within that period, I have been able to lift 81 excavators that have been handed over to the committee. And that is what is on my inventory. It's on record at all responsible quarters. When you go there, you will find that my inventory holds 81 excavators that were picked and handed over.
Okay, so who handed over the Mahwine?
To the committee. There is an evacuation team.
Yes.
That also picks it and then also hands over at a certain level. The issue is in phases.
Okay, say it's in phases. I mean, Papa.
When I say it's in phases, it's like there is an arresting officer, and then there is an evacuation team, and then the evacuation team has a final destination where these machines are also handed over to somebody. Are you getting it?
Me too.
And so I am at the beginning, the arresting side. You pick the excavators from there, you hand over to the evacuation team, and then they take you to the final destination, also hand it over to another person there, and then that is how it goes. So when you see my inventory and you know the next level, the next level 2 should be telling you what he has, and then the final level 2 should be telling you what he has and what he has done with them. Are you getting it? So
yes,
my side, I can speak on my side that I picked 81 excavators and handed over to the execution team, and that is it.
Okay, Francis, 81 excavators, no areas bang, and Oche excavators is free. Francis.
Oh, you see, the illegal mining sector is wide. Where some were picked from eastern region, some western, some within Asante, and that kind of thing. So that is it. As I speak to you, some of the owners, if they are listening, they will know that yes, that is the true story.
Okay. You're making progress. Nana, do what is approach for channel?
Yes, my sister approach for channel. I had several calls, I think 3 days ago, whilst I was in my village, and I also said I didn't know about it, and the Obu person may testify certain issues. I said, no, I didn't know anything about his presence on the field and who authorized him, so I wouldn't be able to speak to it. But later, I got the call from my CID that yes, it has been confirmed that he's arrested around a certain area in Asante region here, and then in custody at the Asokwa police station. So, okay, I said, okay, I tried to also contact them, and it was true. So yesterday, I went there, where I returned from, I went straight to the Asokwa police station to have first-hand information on it. The fact was that, yes, Dana Yao is in police custody at the Asokwa police station there. As of yesterday, he was still there. That is the fact.
Okay, but Ukasa wouldn't name his presence on the field. Basically, I said, wouldn't name your field. But I wouldn't say, oh, yeah, special monitoring and evacuation officer with IMSIM. Wouldn't say.
I used to know that, but I am also aware that he is no longer playing that role.
I see.
Yes.
Since when?
I think since March or February also.
Since March this year?
Yes.
Or February this year?
I can't be sure of the month, but I think either between February and March of this year.
Okay. Cause now we receive and complaints on the man on ne ebini DNA efana ya ho. Francis.
Well, the issue was that he was taking certain responsibilities of monitoring concessions, and that he had authority from certain courtesies to come and do that. And then, according to the police, too, he was in possession of a firearm. And typically, the act of always intimidating minors and that kind of thing were some of the issues that came up. The details are with the police, though, as a journalist, maybe when you contact them, they will give it to you. And those are the reasons for which, and that he was also impersonating by using some powerful names, which were later consulted, and he was denounced that they didn't know anything about his activities. And so he is held by the police.
Powerful names, Ben, or use Francis.
Oh, okay. Initially, I heard he mentioned the Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation, that he was working for him, and it turned out not to be true when certain calls were made. It turned out not to be true. And then he also claimed he was coming from the Jubilee House and that he was assigned. That also turned not to be true. And when the police also made requests for him for details, particulars of his authority, he didn't even have one. And so with their investigation still ongoing, I wouldn't want to prejudice anything because they still have a lot of intelligence to gather so long as this issue is concerned.
Okay, but Abu, let me take time and read this story. I mean, just a bit of it. According to sources, Nana Yao's arrest comes after countless owners of mining equipment, mostly evacuators, for which his office has seized, lodged complaints at the Asokwa police station over exorbitant extortion amount of about 70,000 Ghana cedis per head. The complainant, who out of desperation to get their seized equipment allegedly paid 70,000 and an additional 30,000 to Nana Abuedu since May 2020, but have still not taken possession of their equipment and upon realizing the lies being told them by Nanaya, decided to inform the Asokwa police after they were alerted of his presence in the area. 70,000 Ghana cedis. NOJ sika amoji anono ansa na release machines no adama owners. Francis.
That is very alien to me because it's not part of our practical job. I remember somewhere last year.
Francis, obabwa kakra na wa matwi no abem se na be ye telefone no beti ase.
Yeah, be tell say sa sikajia no ya de a interministerial committee no enim ho hwe. Na de tell say me kai say last year ko mu baby oba felt sa me wa ha. Or the Congo be ba ma ha say Usman say ombra me hombe take me operations inventory na me handle over man ase
no ase why na suma no
or say me pay you for the smart print card titulu obo openi coordinator from Boat in the prof
okay
obo ni din e mo de card adi buy it your oba na me say okay sa na nka tie dia nka omo copy me say because niema e wo hono no enye niema ketwa na wa sori abase ye se me mfa na me dia amount do o say ye hwehwehwem inti enumua na there were some arguments because I didn't trust what he was saying and odikoye it odikoye no mu no echire no osabai ebe settle at pechi number 1 inti me wa ena me ti say he was there doing exactly what you were talking of inti me ko pechi number 1 ho koto no hotel bi mu e wo hono and that was the exact picture inti minute na hono eka saade no ma meka che say that is not what is happening because say waha in the name of the interministerial committee yes so ye waha in the name of the interministerial committee na o jijiska ye ka interministerial committee they don't know what the specifications who it is you know me ma kwan emma sa niema no enkoso nti sa na tie dia I'm asking him to go back to Accra and that the proper things should be done nti me no ekasa ho ama he was forced out of Kumasi back to Accra on the same conduct. What you are talking about, the extortions, those other matters, they are not alien to me. I am aware, but because it is not the right thing to do, that was why I forced him back from the field to Accra. Because and I even wrote reports on him on that his conduct. Yes, okay. I wrote a report on that his conduct of extortion and those kind of things. On the field.
Ultra report in the man, Francis.
At the time, I wrote the report and copied the committee. I copied Honorable Professor Fabratu Pomboati himself, if he still remembers.
Daben Ultra reporting. Daben Ultra reporting.
Oh, that is what I'm saying. That was somewhere last year. Yeah. That was somewhere last year.
Somewhere last year.
Last year,
and now Ebiomuka say until quite recently, now unim say Nanayawi waka imsim timuno ehu. Is that correct, Francis?
Yes.
From last year, Nanayawi waya juma illegally will be uncanifi. Francis, is that the case? Sana 70.
It is because it is on radio.
I see.
At a point in time. The chairman, what is the name? Prof even asked that I should list all other persons that are on the field doing illegal operations. I listed them because we confronted them on the field. The authorities they were quoted were wrong. We listed all of them, and we had more than 5 other people operating on their own, but using certain names. When they go to the field, they'll say they are from IMCIM. And then you get the call, you get there, they are not from IMCIM. You ask them where they are coming from, and then it is another issue. So their names and even contact numbers were listed and handed over to the committee.
Okay,
the number of people.
Francis, nipa do saying, and I'm let's say one nipa do saying I'm Sakai.
Oh, I had about 5 different groups operating with their pictures, some with their contact numbers, Reports were written, their pictures were downloaded on it, and then submitted to the committee that this is what is happening to the field, is happening on the field, aside Vanguard or aside IMCM or and so most of the time they go, and because the miners don't even know them, they'll go and say they are coming from Vanguard, or they'll go and say they are coming from Galaston.
Okay, Francis, maybe 5 different groups made up of Nipa Dodo and group be Nipa saying a womb. Francis.
Oh, group. Sometimes you can find them using about 2 vehicles, and then they are numbers. I remember the largest number I met was 15 of them. 15.
Nipa 15 in one group.
Yes, in one group, and they were even using they were using Benz bars. No more using Benz bars, and they conducting operations. No?
Wow. Well, but it looks like clearly. Ejuma Moye IMSEM Operation Vanguard. It's on the blind side of Ghana for I expected because it looks like Galamsey no Koso and then one Kasangasa team members no most of them Jim Jessica extorting money from innocent owners of evacuators. Francis.
That is what I'm telling you. The typical example that that issue is alien to the official task force is a revelation of the Nana Yao's issue, which is not an exception. And because that is what they come to the field to do, they are normally apprehended and sometimes they negotiate their ways out. This time, he has failed. And that is why you have seen him in the grips of the police. And when they go out like he was out there claiming that he is working for the IMCIM, and China, that is what will be circulating. Say, members from the IMCIM are extorting money. Thank God he has been arrested. And it is clear that he is not working for the IMCIM and that he is on his own taking such money for himself. You see? So that is the situation. He is not the only example. There are others. And so when you hear, say Vanguard and I say IMCIM, these are the bad nuts in the system creating that impression.
But Francis, bad nuts bien ho betibenya kukudro. Se penny bin tibebia wata nechia. So where do they get these powers from? To drive in convoys or the near there illegally. So to me no free Francis.
You see, it is difficult to say that they are not on their own but being supported by somebody. You see, that is why there is this word called impersonation. You see, somebody coming to say, I am this, quoting an office that he thinks that you cannot go to and verify from anybody. And once they do that and they scare you, then they have their way. Unfortunately, this time, luck has eluded him. And the young man said, if I think at Takwa also, there are 9 people in a remand there, also on similar issues.
Oh, okay.
They also went out on their own, and they were arrested. And they claimed they were working for the IMCIM. They claimed they were coming from other places. The police didn't have it easy with them. They made several calls here and there. It was confirmed that they are not known. They were taken to court. And what I know, except otherwise something else has happened, they are supposed to be in remand now. You see, 9 of them. Then there are several other examples in packets. It's not this one alone. The cases are there. Maybe if you have a correspondent around the Takwa area, you call, maybe if that person remembers, you'll be able to tell you that some 2 months ago, there are cases where 9 persons are in remand in respect of posting or impersonating as that they are coming from IMCIM or Vanguard and they had authority to operate. And when it was interrogated, they were taken to court and currently in remand.
But you said prosecution biao mo chain for musizi machines, but you say the obia gina mrano ama ya judge no the nakwa kotum, just so we can get an example. You hunu bibia ya chain for no na order from above na release you omo na omasa koye o madwuma. Francis.
What I know is that currently I have 15 people undergoing trial, except because of this COVID issue. Issues are a little bit slow, but I have 15 Chinese since the time that the order to prosecute but not to repatriate came. we still have them in various courts around Asante region, Western region, where we've been attending court with them. So I know we have prosecuted some people and the cases are ongoing. Maybe you need to check. You know, Boise Circuit Court here, we have about 6 of them or so there that are supposed to be undergoing trial. But because of these COVID issues, things have slowed down.
Well, Francis, Mami no asini offense here.
You.
Francis Asibi Abu, head of monitoring team interministerial committee against illegal mining. And I mean, no, Achiche and Command. Na what do ya? A praise for Sir Canning and command a course so between Ono and 1 DC from Mantem. Maybe see a tears and commotion. Ya betwa Jumedino. So, Mighty.
Hello. Good evening. Honorable Raymond Abedu. Okay. The owner of the machine. Honorable. I beg you, don't implicate yourself. The machine doesn't belong to you. Yes. All right, if the machine belongs to you, okay, I don't have a problem with that. Meet me in Accra at Accra. I'm bringing the machine to Accra, so meet me there with all your necessary documents. Come again. I don't care about who you call, but I'm telling you that bring your documents to Accra. That's it. Honorable, I beg you. I've given you the maximum respect. I'm not supposed to even talk to you in the first place. I'm bringing the machine to aviation. All right, meet me at the Ministry of Environment. I'm taking your machine to aviation.
Okay. Agria.
CJ.
Ma ni so na jai na wo ye.
Wabutu.
Also, o man no mo de kade obeka be wie na me ya na ensem no etomre bi na osore adwada no passing. Na nka wo expect say obeti nsem bi o Ghana ye movie forward na fei wo betititi niema bi atiti say ya na waboto efe say ye ken
agua aguro kura na ye di no
aguro we ye ni so so say aguro we ye ni so dada me nwanwa safe na wo wahunu
na CJ sabranti
mama ni approach for ntwetwe komo na me ba ya twaso Superintendent Owusum Pianim district commander Asoka district police command Supo all correct sir
all correct minua
but ahode wo hode
ya ho adom anope wama ya sori de no de ache
mami ni kan embo approach for mabaso me mama yiko adwumaso a mudi ede eboa o man Ghana yadamase na abrante na ya boadu Ebani sa no bedi mu nsem Supo
kakra mitima kam sisi a ye nano memenda no ena yenya nkrasa brantie no wabepi wo manson kwanta hini mahini fie ye ensembi koso manson kwanta ho forest body efa illegal mining na brantie no ebe mu se or rep or interministerial committee on illegal mining na oberenen fidie bia be akodi be no maf safe one na omaya sote
enti omama sote ye no na bokwache no
ye ko ekofa ne ba na yinze sa committee se omodwuma nim mpempenso adu nipani bi kra omunye ekmebi tina abrante ni ye bi ema omoso adwene yɛ ɔmo ntanta nti ɔmo apolisi asote nti sisi a meka sɛ ɔyɛ hɔ a yɛhwehwɛ mu ne ahu sɛ nokorɛ nea a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ no nokorɛ sɛ ɔyɛ anaasɛ wɔyɛ nti kakra metumi aka kyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ hɔ nti yɛhwehwɛ mu ne ahu sɛ odi sɛ adwuma no ma aban anaasɛ odi sɛ adwuma no ma aban.
Okay, but answer na mo nsa bɛka no na ma receive complaints ɛfa ɔno aberanteɛ no ho ɛne adwuma a wodie subo.
Nokorɛ Asukwa police station na yɛ receive complaint biara saa na ɛsɛ sɛ mɛmɛnta no pa na mɛka no ɛna menya ɛfrɛ wɔ tɛtɛfo yi bi so sɛ aberanteɛ no wɔbɛpie wɔ Nana Manso Nkwantan efie nti mema mmeranteɛ no bi kɔhyia mpanyinfoɔ no hɔ no ɛyɛ Nana Gyase yi ne panyin baako na ɔmo mmeranteɛ no ɔmo ɛde ne mmeranteɛ no na mpanyinfoɔ no nyinaa bɔ mu de aberanteɛ no ba police station na yɛtoto ano na nsɛm a na yɛpɛsifoɔ na ɛnsi so nti na ɔsɛ yɛde no esi ekukum na yɛyɛ saa ahwehwɛ mu no mu sɛ nokora na sɛ nyɛ nokora.
Okay, but mokɔkye no Manso Nkwantahene fie no na asɛm bɛn na asi hɔ anaa na ɛfa nsɛmsɛm yi ho akɔgye obi excavator wagye ne sika anaa so na ɛte sɛn.
Hɔ deɛ no ne sɛ asɛ mfidie bi anaa excavators bi a nkankofo bi kɔyɛ illegal mining a ɛyɛ Nana mpanyinfoɔ ɛne ne kuromafoɔ no bi ɛfiri sɛ ɛbɛsɛe ɔdomako akyɛdeɛ ɔde akyɛ ɔmo yɛ forest no nti ɔmo ama ho kwan no na aberanteɛ frɛ sɛ ɔno ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ saa committee MB kankan nti nkɔbɛhwɛ no mafa mfidie no afiri hɔ no na sɛ ɔbɛduru yɛ na mpanimfoɔ ne ne kita ɔdeɛ no pɛsɛ sɛ ne nsɛm no ɛnsi so nti na ɛsɛ ɔmo soso no sɛ ɔmo nyi ni saa na sɛ ɛkɔyɛ ɛkɔno bi anaasɛ ɛdeɛ ɔsɔ mma polisifoɔ asote na naso ne fie no ɛbɛn Asukwa police station nti na ɔsɛ woyi asotire na yɛ so yɛkɔ mu na yɛkɔyɛ deɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ ne aboa Ghana nnana so ɛman.
Okay, but megye sɛ yɛde nana yɛaboa do deɛ kura to nkyɛn a complaints ba galamsey a yɛko atie ɛkɔ so mo portable hɔ nom a nkanka ne amanfa yɛsizi wɔn excavators wɔn bɛ lodge complaint kyerɛ mo sɛ yɛsizi me excavator mekɔ assembly hɔ me nsanka mekɔ ha me nsanka nti ma bɛ lodge complaint sa complaints no mo nsanka bi
minua de bɛka Asukwa ankasa deɛ yɛnhyɛ dan yɛn for Asukwa district asɛm yɛn kasa deɛ yɛn for within any idea galamsey bia because awunim Asukwa basically ɛyɛ within Kumase ekuo kakra bi wɔ so kɔ n'ani nyinaa akora mpo ɛkɔ Kumase nti Asukwa pɛsɛ na ankasa deɛ galamsey area yɛnhyɛ dan ni bi saa but mesɛ meka ne sɛ Nana Manso Nkwantan wɔn sɛ wate Manso Nkwantan ne saa epomo sɛ ɔdomankoma de saa adeɛ na agudie na
ɛwɔ hɔ paa
nti saa ɛhɔ no ɛna mmeranteɛ bi ewura Nana forest mu a kɔmɔ kɔyɛ adwuma Nana ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛne ne mmeranteɛ na wɔn sɛ daabi wɔn bɛsɛe nɔɔma ɛna wɔn wɔkɔɛ na mmeranteɛ no dwan na mfiri ne kan ɛna saa aberanteɛ abɔ ne din kaa wɔbɛɛ di anim sɛ mfidie no wɔn bɛfa akɔ na Nana no toto na wɔn sɛ daabi dwumadi office odi ne krampo no ɛntro bi wom nti no police faso nte na ɛnyɛ nhwɛmu ho nipa ban nti wɔn nso yi asotire nti kyerɛkyerɛ na yɛkyɛ no Asukwa fie ankasa
okay
Nana Manso Nkwantan ne fie na wɔn frɛ ma yɛn fa ne firi baeɛ
afei na mate aseɛ sɛ Nana Manso Nkwantan ne fie a ɛbɛn ɛwɔ Asukwa ɛhɔ na mokɔkyee no
so ni Makion Pentecost Church na ɛhɔ no ma na fie wɔ sɛ ne fie hɔ na ɔkɔɔyɛ says na mfidie na be aka mu no kɔ ogun na fo na wɔn akyerɛ sɛ wɔn no tumi sɛ wotumi die no mu yɛ fa na wo sɛ dabi ne nsɛm keka no si so ti ɔmo police force nti
super enti megye sɛ Mosaka ne matoto na no kakra what's the next step
kakra na also wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ saa intermediate committee ne den tie sɛ yɛbɛnya ahyɛ so deɛ ne boni bɛsɛ conference sɛ no kɔ wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ no ampa na sɛ ampa ne si ade bituma karakter ne sɛ enne ne sɛ dan a si memenda on za memenda so ne kwesera de wo information officer wo do bia ne nkasa ne ade enti ne die mi sɛ ene yɔre die kakra yɛ pene pesi wo bia no yɛ zabe kana yɛ timi the bios were trust
super but ma mimbisa we free memenda de ban ra kwesi some receive call bia from above sani e canon no
oh debi mini will be a friend say bia me cast so no case bia nko o man penya so ya na bi sente bi obi so fresh was bi ya ye fresh when abranti bi wo ye hono ma obidi mu nsa e bi so ana say bi ya be ono ye nte dia nti na me adumane na de ya no pe ye mpempe so ankusi ani mukata no bi sa hono ma ye so ye beti na ya etu mo fata na bi ya kama
Medasi super fancy ya. Superintendent Owusum Pianim district commander asokwa divisional police command and amene no atwetwe enkomo no na abrante na ya abuadi chema ekwawusi na mani hunu abrante
so na die mu ma yekoche no
na seje so we Facebook and YouTube live abrante no we excavators
ayo be ma Facebook no ha
any idea any said they will see issue instructions e wo no utimu say ono no to me bi gina ne mu
utimu say no oyebia
utimu say to me bi ne hu ne susua na utimu say to me de ebi wo ne mu said de ode o man microphone instructions
on the end o sheche no
o said the o sheche no so
ko Facebook say see Adoma no 6.3 FM o Facebook
and on YouTube oh yeah no na wo hwe ne nipadua ne boban a wo no timi ko manson kwanta hene fie ko ka kire ne se excavators bi ya kire no otumi so obefa kro no ese ensa bi emu oduro won ensa bi emu oduro ta ne chibo ne chidom ena amasa onya sa ho because se wo hwe ne bobre no kra no a se ensa bi ne akira
that's a way there young man we can make us more fast no
why are they
we dey say more fast
na nipa krokro bi o
some catch you say ne nipa ne bobre no se nya ensa bi pa eso
ono se eche ami kala ye se ahwenu ayi
enti se wo hwe nya ensa bi pa na di sa branche ye chi a enya ade a na sa branche we timi wuram dokro a me ye chi chama ko awisi a ne hunu se
abranche no wonya small mind
wodu una hunu so eketo anwe na hunu dwenye wa hasa but ne mu odu
akuyi
na wozame kwaku we menya me nwanwa bebre efrise oman ye atimu a wo bi atumi I impersonating also a posting for 3 years.
On your approach for the cooperation.
3 years.
His Excellency and I don't quite Kufado. Wada. And so the night, Guabonting. Oman Penny, Wada. And so the night, Guabonting.
Young guy, we pana.
Galamse fight. Ye to Asia, ye to Galamse, I say, almost say, and Sue, almost say, and say, and what that? And so the name Guamonting.
See, there's a gun at the onset, ye Subano, ye saw Semuna, ye Kakakra, na ye Chasso, and two. Just say, and Penimfuancasa, Wamudi and Nim, ye leaders no, Ancasano, no cre. Bebre womu disappointed.
No, okay. Me be say etie for joining me on Facebook this year. Na okosha awre hosem.
Facebook ne de
joining me on Facebook this year. Na okosha awre hosem. Koshe
asase pass yes funtuma
asase. Hwe se na ye funtuma asase. Eni mfidi a edo asase trim.
Onze nsuo bi da ho. Onze nsuo bi etemu ho. I say the nsuo na ye no a. Eche me kro matwea entwuma mana ye wamana bi ye bo ntwuma wo mu. Eten ho. Na se wo twam na se wo hye sa eye atimfo de bo mo ho mra. Otim nsuo no.
Brem.
Ja wadwa. Se wo twam no wani boso a. Wo baka se enati aya hono enye nsuo biem
asa ntwuma unim ntwuma ye de kwa muchi ahu
na meka me se me krom ye wontwuma mna eso pa ye bo enti se wuduru ho na wo hwe ye nsuo no a sa nete
woni abrante no woni ono oda so no
chese wo hwe abrante no oda
ono oda Facebook se sia no a wo hye singlet ye dwan ho maka ne singlet
ono so we be mamu a ara so odi agro mema wo sremo na kaka de on beba because me de entina ya na anopa na wo say maboto no meboto because
we
hwe nsam no sade etie no a na wo hwe sade ye toto ne ma fa no a jinya me bem
na obi timi de mracha ne nsam sam ya nipa so mesisi eso so
okasawa
ne sa ewoya na papa ba konko mi meba papa ya ye friend sen Anas we be enye galamsey fo ya secretary na no your friend is simple omuma ni din na menkai mo
bisiu
de bisiu sa wono so onua so na mani wo ya na copy free ye
Charles bisiu
CJ
but as so abo ne dia ma
me dese nyina ediga na ho abobo
no video no eyi Facebook sesi ano enye 2 years ago video
da ben
nane nansanya video
enene 3 days
nane nansanya video enya video a achew tesa galamsey no yade a ekoso
enso yete ase ya said that create a group called them Operation Vanguard.
Esa also the interministerial friends committee against illegal mining.
Yasado eno so abeka ho. Esa wo a whole aswe ministry. Wono so da no wo so hwe we nim nyina enti kire se yada so ewo machines esisi site mining site ahodo efruntum asase ni ehunu nsuo dobe eye niema se ya o kan say
ekuya makasa bebre mama Kevin CJ
megwaku
sanka minisu etisepoa kamisu ama me manga
ene de kakra na wo
menyi se ye nananom omumoja na omode to no wo omode to ho se emre bi bedu ama nipa bi abedi o man na brosei he me kai se ayi kwadwo fojo one kwadwo nkrofo na from say water commission na say henfo edi nkomo ama om se Ghana ya hwe yi a ye be kra nsu nyenye nsu anam Ghana ese nsu ba bi senti hwe. Can you imagine say ye ba be kra nsu ansa na so ya no pa wanya nsu anam? How would life be for the ordinary Ghanaian? Galamsey ni no ma bi senti man panyin so metu so sa enya dia mema kwaya ma na baso
nya kasa de hu
agrokra
we kenken kwa ai e be kwa ko tisai
wait upon mfimfini o video here that Facebook upon mfimfini kwaye ni mfimfini ena wama ko bunua wo nyina masase no eni ada ho
ye ka China fo ya omo ba ya ye bo o masa ye nsuo no o pe wiase nyina ba bia nsuo ani da ho kroje wo gina ho a ayi apatakura na nsuo ma wutimi hu na China ka ho first 10
wama
cleanest water body
wama jamu nsuo no ho
na China nian e de chamfine wo be kwa no na odi gina nsuo mfimfin se bremu a no gina mfimfin na wo funtum asase ade wo so to good wonim se omugya omo na nyina egu nsuo nim na atini ko baabi na Ghana ni asa no na ni nua Ghana ni e na ehye kutupa kakra wo bedinti. What kind of country are we building?
Amampani sorry
CJ what the kra na kakra me di we echi me wa hwa me BP be ba hwa me ti kra be ya it me ya no me say me person me
dwen
ya me person udi echi obewu CJ udi echi obewu me de bia me ka se me nya adwuma we na be ya Ghana se ka me nka bi da udi Ghana echi a ubewu aja Ghana
na makwaku adwuma e da hye nsai ye ntimi nhwe ma ne ma bi sei nkoso
eno ne asem no
ye ntimi nhwe e ma ne ma bi sei enkoso
na seje yati a wo ye kan wo be ka ebekwa akosisei
CJ ye kan prasambro obi kura tie dia wo di kwase afo wasare mu ni he
obi kura wo mo kasa dodo wo mo pe kasa ene ade ne akeka ne sei ya nti wo kan na waka mana ko
ijuma ne de o mu ntum na o be ba ne ase bibia
ekuya ne kwakwe wo de mo fan krata no na
ne krata ase de krata no because he CJ me bekase asem we mo bi ani matem. I am speaking from my personal point of view. Mo bi ani matem isusu hwe metigo. Me say one hwe ya heaven. Ghana ni bi anko bi.
O bo amekobi.
Me kazi asem.
Oh mekobi.
Because me ba hwe say me kan we ma show.
Da bi mekobi.
Okay, yes. Oh, mami chem. Tie mami chem. CJ da mami chem. heaven wo pa yes ya diska kokko na aye iska kokko so na obenante
ye be kwa akotu
nyame ama iska kokko e sha asase ase kura ya sensu na de tada na kwa galamse wo
na say heaven no nyame anka say wo ba fa usika kokko bra
na kwa galamse wo heaven o de say nyankopon sebe o kwa de wo heaven na kwa galamse nyankopon beba na watutu gold na ebobo da ho no
akuya
o tutu anya obi nkoton ma no
wanya omno bo sambe di dia
o tutu a wonya obi nkoton ma no
akuya tampoma fa chronicle breso sam no fa chase ene enkoye nim
ZJ chronicle na anopai o say Mame Catherine Afeku abantie bi sore a na asami ode ne mfoni na ba beto animu ha nanso watintim ensem no e wokratafa etoso mienu eno se abantie bi wonye mfihia aduonunum wo ye serial caller CP e de man NDC amanyoko no ne din e de Angate Boza e wo empotemo evalajura na wo sori da bia ene okọ radio su wo fresh wo kwotena studio ho Mame Catherine Afeku no obetwa na da pa bona dia to no ho na no de okọ ye no ene wo se mame kro no wo nsa how che no wo Ghana ase ya ene ne che se se obi sa no e che Mame Catherine Afeku ana fe ne nipa kro ye be wo no enti asem no ba ne sa no aye mame ne ya enti me no ka sei abante no aposifo kura ne pechi ya so ni mu ya yade ne be kwase ne bia Axim Court wo chese won ko kire ade kro wi aye ene bre kro de bo kro no na fei ye no kro so okromfo a oman mra no ene ni se so nye sa ene ode to no so a oman ne mra ene wono susu eni enti anopai Mame Catherine Afeku abrantie eye mosa ye okotena radio station ekotwa anada pa ene yache no ewo ho ena afei na no wo chese yeche cocaine bi na edoso kakra 42 kilograms na chese Nigeria registered car bi number ena na so no ena wode ne namu anka wode ba be pi ama yechere sa car no nemu ena Kena Okodwodamwa Ghana Revenue GRA wa mo penimpa wa chese o wa bo emema na wa mo wohye no so abaso papa se wa mutumi ekire car no ama sabre cocaine no entumi ama mewura ja ya che no na cocaine no na sabe kura go posifo ma netimi na
na se we o ma ya adwuma o ma ya ade
nti be kwa kosisei o just o ma ya ade o bi be ya no e be kwa kosisei chenu dia ya che na be kwa kosisei kwa ku
e kosisei wasem
nti na me bisa se just ka obi wa ha e bi obetimi a kire be be kwa kosie e kire no aya kire no kwa ku to aso na ko wani
Mame fa Daily Graphic da wokra time fanto so na wo anim ha wadi mfonyini bi aba betoa na nsema watro a wose 5 pickups for gaff to fight field Yasin Zoom Lion ene asoye a ehwe oba de bobra atwa ye ho ahia so ena sambra mikaso makeka o monsas ne pickup maako num ye de brass rafo mbo o maimu na onim de asrafo no mde dwuma ne bedie ehyan onim adwuma mde bedie yeso mo fa mo pempe won kran ehwe hunu so bobi amfa fin ento form to the fit form a se soja fo ne beche won na nya Ghana soja fo ne se di omu chi fin na city gas no me nam krom de no mo ye well Mame komanim kratafa to so miensa what the story be about beto was se kane emrahye bedwane ya no gina wode mo manfo keta baton pesu ya so Richard agbanyefia wapanyini venture capital yeso opanyini scam kodi no 2 million Ghana cedis na scam kodi no no kwan ye fa so de koye ne na chese kro no ya bam ya de ne court opanyini se wade atum wapempa sabi kwase na nsa na dwene 82 million obetua magana fo wotua magana wia no wase tua mpatesika aka ho sade be ya yemfa ne ntum
eno ano no
ti ase no ano no 82 million
no afa ne
eti no afa ne tia
e ba ni we yesin se ya be court ya tweba ni ya tweko yesin wo yomidie so on kwa de ni o
Ghana great sampama obidum ye kwadu kumi me fancy amrante no aba
asem na no paya
amrante no aba
asem na no paya CJ ni fru wasema de befia
basije Dr. Dakosa Boajon was a COVID. You need the Kwame here where you are here.
And you won't be young fancy now. Main kind messages quickly from YouTube. Nafi, I'm sorry, David Frimpong. If people are fired, then they will say why are they killed. David Frimpong, they are to YouTube. No, Ketia Bright. I say Ghana pani. We all for leave this country for those who own it. And Ketia Bright, dear no. Safo Nyame. I say by the way. Okay, Debbie. Soa Enoch or say Ghana will never go on. Samuel Musa or say this is Ghana for you. Very bad. Prince Ifa or say Adom FM, you are more from Kasen Anya laptop. Enti Fadi Abraham Benjamin Afia Kenkan Eddie Amau Kobe Stone or Kumankra Bakwa Waka and Sroja Edura and numero uno. Sheshi, kwamna. Bibi amoko. Weekend na ye.
Weekend me call me Bremesi kuma.
So hoboko de.
Hoboko. Me call on common so free oba o.
Ye pon ani e di sankomo. Kwamna ye pon a. Na wa bom ya mane.
Okay. What's the day na ase na o ye DC ni interview ha.
Yeah.
Komo free oba pa.
Adom Sports Page 1.
Hi, this Andrea you.